So in this video, we are dividing fractions. This is 1/2 divided by 4, or you can write it like this, 1/2 divided by 4. So our original figure is divided in half, so we start with only half of this figure. So there's half of it. And then I want to divide that into 4 pieces. Divide that into 4 pieces. So how big is this piece from the original figure? Well, it's kind of hard to tell the way that it's drawn, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the right side into 4 pieces as well. So now I have congruent sections. So how many total squares do I have in my original rectangle? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/2 divided by 4 is just going to give me 1 out of 8, 1/8. Let's do another one. We have 6 divided by 1/2. So I'm starting out with 6 full sections or 6 full figures shaded. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then I want to divide each of those in half. Okay, got all of those divided in half. How many total shaded sections do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 divided by 1/2 gives me 12. All right, this last one might be the trickiest one. It's a little more confusing, but I think we can do this. 1/2 divided by 1/4, or 1/2 divided by 1/4. Remember, we can draw that or write that either way. So I've got my original figure, and I want to start out with 1/2 of that shaded. So I have 1/2, but then I want to divide the figure into fourths. So I just draw this line, and my black lines divide this into fourths. So how many fourths do I have shaded? So remember, here's 1, there's a fourth, there's a fourth, there's a fourth, and there is a fourth. How many of those fourths are shaded? 2 of them. So 1/2 divided by 1/4 just gives us 2. Now, this can be a little bit tedious, maybe confusing to some of us with spatial reasoning issues. I don't know. So let me show you a mathematical way of solving these, or a formula that we can use each time. So when you're dividing fractions, I like to first make sure that both of these values are written in fraction form. So this is a fraction, but right now I have the number 4 written as a whole number. So I can change this problem into 1/2 divided by, and the number 4 I'm going to turn into a fraction just by placing it over 1. 4 divided by 1 still gives us 4. 4 over 1 is still equal to 4. So when that's always going to be my first step. Then I am going to keep my original fraction the same, the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and then I am going to flip or take the reciprocal of the second fraction, whatever fraction I am dividing by. So the reciprocal of 4 over 1 is just 1 over 4. And from a previous video that we've already learned, when we multiply fractions, we just go straight across. So let's multiply. We have 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 4 is 8. So this is equal to 1/8. I get 1/8 here when I draw figures, or I get 1/8 when I just use my little mathematical rule. Let's do the next one. 6 divided by 1/2. Remember, I want this number 6 as a whole number to be turned into a fraction. So I can just turn it into 6 over 1. And then I change my division sign to multiplication. And then I am going to take the reciprocal of 1/2. Remember, the reciprocal of 1/2 is just 2 over 1. 2 over 1. And now it's a multiplication problem. How do we multiply? We just go straight across. 6 times 2 is just 12. 1 times 1 is just 1. So this gives us 12 over 1, which of course is just 12. All right, this last problem, 1/2 divided by 1/4. I already start out with both of these values being fractions, so I don't need to change them. I'm going to keep 1/2 the same, change my division symbol into a multiplication symbol, and then take the reciprocal of my second fraction. The reciprocal of 1/4 is just 4 over 1. 4 over 1. And now let's multiply. 1 times 4 is just 4. 2 times 1 is just 2. That gives us 4 over 2. And of course, we can reduce 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 just gives us 2. So either way, whether I draw the figure, I get 2, or whether I use my little mathematical algorithm here, I get 2. And that's how you divide fractions. Keep your first fraction the same, change division to multiplication, and flip or take the reciprocal of your second fraction.